consistently get great results no matter the task, it's got 4 preset driving modes. Mode 1 has up to 850 RPM with 100 Nm of torque, ideal for driving small screws. Mode 2 has up to 2000 RPM with 180 Nm of torque, which is great for everyday medium-duty applications. And Mode 3 has up to 2900 RPM, delivering maximum torque of 300 Nm for driving and removing long fasteners. The 4th mode is Auto Assist, which provides a different function in forward and reverse directions. In Auto Assist Forward, the tool revs slowly to begin with. The slow starting speed increases control when you're setting screws, working overhead, or if you're outstretched. And in Auto Assist Reverse, the motor starts with 6 pulses and increases to a controlled speed. Is designed to remove screws with damaged heads that are almost impossible to remove by other methods.
RYOBI, a cut above.